What's up, Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. So I'm back and I'm ready for a revenge. So this morning I went back to the crime scene. I watched the video while I edited, so I saw just basically where the turning light fell off. And as many of you have commented, there's a service bulletin, an old one for the Saabs. So I will link to the part number down below. There are some metal clips that you should insert, one per side, that will keep the turning indicator in place, better than the stock plastic one. When I found it in the ditch, it was a little bit broken, so I drilled it up and zip tied it to the frame of the car, so it will not go anywhere. And it's pretty windy outside now, and I have tried to find a spot today to drive the car, but it has been sunny, rainy, so it has been like almost impossible. But now I think it's a good time, so let's go out and see how the car looks. So I have touched up the damage a little bit with some paint. The turning indicator is back, and also this one. So now let's go for a drive. Drive it a little bit to get the heat, some heat in the engine. And today we don't have to do the adaptation because we did that yesterday. Okay, so now we are all set. We got the temperature up and the camera is mounted, and we will see how this goes. It's a little bit slippery at some points of the road, still wet, but I think we will be okay. just a quick check on the logs after that test run. You can see in one of the pulls where I shifted gears, you can see that the car is requesting 1599 of air mass and it got 1551, so around 50 milligrams of air mass is still missing at 1.36 bar of boost. So we still have some boost to play around with, and I think this will be really good because the car is pulling like crazy right now. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. A better test drive, everything is working, and I have ordered a little part that should fix some little oil issues. I think it got better with the new canister, but we have one more thing that I know is leaking a little bit, and it's a super common problem, so we will tackle that in the future. Otherwise, if you have any comments, please leave them down below. Subscribe to the channel, it means a lot to me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!